Mahjong, but make it Monet. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this American Mahjong set from Zovadros comes beautifully packed and ready for game night. You're going to get 160 high-quality acrylic tiles, along with dice and an instruction manual. So the tiles are bright and cheerful without being gaudy, and the faces are very easy to read, which is especially important when you're playing with new players. I love the warm orange backs. They remind me of the creamsicles of my youth. The tiles are solid, so they feel comfortable in your hand. And once everything is set out, it really looks like a Mahjong set that belongs in a garden party. Now, the included instructions are for traditional Mahjong, which you can play with this set. If you prefer to play American Mahjong, which is also possible with this set, you simply need to purchase the current annual American Mahjong card separately. And when you're all finished, the tiles pack neatly back into the storage bag, making it easy to store or take along with you on a trip, and it would make a fantastic gift. And that is my point of view.